On flat, level ground, tip the mixer onto its drum face. Mount the stand onto the unit. With 2 people, tip the mixer up into the working position. Ensure the tilt lock is engaged by moving the tilt lock lever fully to the right. Make sure that the drum lock is disengaged and that the drum turns freely. Plug the unit into a 3-prong heavy-duty electric cord that is rated for the current draw on the motor data plate. Load the cement into the drum. Be sure not to overload the drum. Start the motor by pushing the green start button. Taking care not to overload the drum, add water while mixing. After the load is mixed, disengage the tilt lock lever and tip the drum to discharge the mix. After use, be sure to clean the unit thoroughly. Add water and run the drum until clean. If possible, add gravel to the drum while running to fully remove any built-up cement. Dump the water and gravel from the unit when finished cleaning.